Meet Greta. Greta Thunberg is famous for making such a big impact at such a young age. At only 15, she started a protest about climate change that spread worldwide. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to turn and talk with a buddy. What do you know about climate change? Go. All right, let's go ahead and wrap up our conversations in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are now going to turn and talk for about 45 seconds to answer the following questions. How do humans impact the environment? And how can humans help the environment? Go. All right, let's wrap it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this story, Greta is asked for help by some forest animals. Listen to find out what the problem was and how Greta helped them. So again, we're looking at problem and solution. We are going to click here on the next slide to listen to the story, Greta and the Giants.